When you found out that you were going to be writing a song in an hour every day, was that scary?
Yes, of course. I was very scared. I thought it would be impossible to write a song in an hour.
Very nervous. This is actually like the first time I've ever properly written a song.
So what we've been doing this week is we've spent 1 hour per day writing a song.
We've been doing like improvisation, melody exercises, lyrical improvisation.
Using different approaches to get where we want to be, and also really trying to work on not letting our inner voices and our like self-critics like stop us from what we can create and what we want to create.
And we've been giving each other feedback on these songs to develop them further. When I hear other people's songs, it just makes me so happy because I always love new music, and when I get to experience it firsthand, I'm really keen to give feedback because it means that I was a part of that song and I was able to contribute to it.
Yeah, at the end of it I was like, this is a lot better than I thought my songs were going to be. So like,
Yeah, there's a time limit, but I guess with that you perform to a better standard because you come up with all these crazy things.
You know how easy it can be now to just write music. It doesn't have to be very good, you don't have to do it for an audience, you can just write, and it's practice. Even if it's good or bad, you just work out that it's just gonna improve you no matter what you come out with, so it's easy.
Step out of your comfort zone, to not play it safe and to not think too much about what you're doing and how good it is. Just let it all flow and then come back to it later.
We all have our different styles and we shouldn't be afraid to share that.
music has always been my escape from the world.
And music says something to people that words can't in some cases. It can make them listen where otherwise they would be deaf to what you're saying.
I'm going to keep writing music.
If you don't like song, make a bad song. Having a bad song is better than having no song.